Our house used to have constant dust problems no matter how often we cleaned, and we have had constant issues with allergies. Our neighbors said they had the same issue until they had their ducts sealed. Your heat and air conditioning flows through your ductwork to the rooms in your house. The AeroSeal process seals leaks so the air can flow directly to your living spaces. It's a simple process that uses your existing ductwork. The AeroSeal solution keeps dust, allergens, and pollutants from being pulled into the airstream. And less dust and allergens around the house means a safer, cleaner, and healthier living environment. With AeroSeal, the most effective, affordable, and simple solution, you'll see many benefits including less dust and allergens entering your space, cleaner air, and improved comfort and savings. Seal in healthier air with AeroSeal.